Imagine this. You're standing outside on a seemingly ordinary day when, without warning, the sunlight begins to fade. The air cools, an eerie silence settles over the world, and everything feels strangely still. Birds stop singing, their usual melodies vanishing into the quiet. Shadows shift in unnatural ways, stretching and distorting as if the very fabric of reality is changing. For a brief moment, it feels as though time itself has paused, leaving you suspended in an unexplainable moment of awe and unease. This is not an illusion or a trick of the mind. It is a celestial event so powerful and mysterious that it has fascinated and even terrified humanity for thousands of years. On March 29, 2025, a partial solar eclipse will unfold across the sky, casting its shadow over parts of the world. While many will simply glance upward in curiosity, few will realize the deeper mysteries hidden within this cosmic event. What secrets does this eclipse hold? What forces are at play beyond what the eye can see? In this video, we will explore not just where and when you can witness this incredible phenomenon, but also the strange and often overlooked ways eclipses affect the world around us. As the moon moves across the sun, temperatures drop unexpectedly. Winds shift in ways that defy normal weather patterns, and even animals react with confusion, as if they sense something beyond human understanding. Scientists continue to study these effects, yet some questions remain unanswered. Beyond science, eclipses have carried profound significance throughout history. Ancient civilizations saw them as omens of great change, warnings from the heavens. Some believed they foretold disaster, while others saw them as powerful symbols of transformation and renewal. But there is one truth about solar eclipses that is perhaps the most astonishing of all. One day, they will cease to exist. The very event that has captivated humanity for millennia is slowly disappearing due to subtle but inevitable changes in the relationship between the Earth and the Moon. A solar eclipse is more than just a passing shadow. It is a moment of cosmic alignment, a fleeting glimpse into the delicate balance that governs the universe. As we prepare for this upcoming spectacle, we must ask ourselves, what else might the sky be trying to tell us? Where and when to watch this rare eclipse? The upcoming partial solar eclipse is set to be a breathtaking celestial event, visible across a vast region that includes Europe, parts of Asia, North and West Africa, and North America. If you find yourself in any of these areas, you will have the rare opportunity to witness a mesmerizing transformation in the sky as the moon moves across the sun, partially obscuring its brilliant light. Unlike a total solar eclipse where the sun is completely covered, this partial eclipse will leave behind a radiant crescent, creating an awe-inspiring spectacle that has fascinated skywatchers for centuries. As the eclipse unfolds, the moon will gradually encroach upon the sun's luminous disk, slowly taking a bite out of it until only a glowing arc remains visible. Depending on your location, the extent to which the sun is covered will vary, with some areas seeing a deeper eclipse than others. This shifting alignment between the Earth, Moon, and Sun offers a stunning visual display, a reminder of the precise and intricate movements that govern our solar system. The timing of the eclipse is crucial for those who wish to experience its full beauty. While the event itself will last for several hours, the peak moment, when the moon covers the largest portion of the sun, will differ based on your geographical position. For some, this dramatic phase will occur in the morning. For others, it may take place closer to midday or the afternoon. To ensure you don't miss this rare alignment, it is essential to check the exact timing for your city. Websites such as timeanddate.com and various eclipse tracking apps provide real-time updates, helping you determine the best moment to look up and witness this celestial marvel. Observing a solar eclipse is a truly unique experience, one that has captivated people throughout history. Ancient civilizations saw these events as powerful omens, or signs of great change. Today, while we understand the science behind them, eclipses still inspire a sense of wonder and curiosity. However, it is important to remember that looking directly at the sun, even during an eclipse, can cause severe eye damage. To safely observe the event, be sure to use proper solar viewing glasses or specialized eclipse filters on telescopes and cameras. Whether you are an experienced stargazer or someone simply eager to witness this rare event, the partial solar eclipse of March 29, 2025, is a moment not to be missed. As the sky transforms before your eyes, take a moment to appreciate the grandeur of the cosmos and the delicate balance that makes such phenomena possible. This is a fleeting but unforgettable reminder of our place in the universe, a spectacle that connects us to the celestial rhythms that have guided humanity for millennia. The hidden wonders of the upcoming eclipse. A partial solar eclipse is always a remarkable event, but this particular one is especially significant due to the scientific mysteries and environmental phenomena it highlights. Beyond being a stunning celestial display, solar eclipses have played a crucial role in advancing our understanding of the universe. From unraveling the sun's most puzzling secrets to confirming Einstein's groundbreaking theories, they also have a profound effect on Earth's environment, influencing temperature, wind patterns, and even the behavior of animals. This upcoming eclipse serves as a reminder that there is still much to learn about how these rare events shape both our planet and our understanding of the cosmos. One of the greatest mysteries surrounding the sun lies in its outer atmosphere, known as the corona. Surprisingly, the corona is vastly hotter than the sun's surface, reaching temperatures of over 1,000,000 degrees Celsius, while the sun's visible surface remains around 5,500 degrees Celsius. This temperature paradox has puzzled scientists for decades, as it defies conventional expectations. Solar eclipses provide one of the few opportunities to study the corona in detail, as the moon's shadow blocks out the sun's overwhelming brightness, allowing researchers to examine the delicate, swirling structures of the corona. Each eclipse brings scientists closer to uncovering the mechanisms behind this extreme heating, helping to unlock the secrets of the sun's magnetic field and energetic particles. Beyond solar physics, eclipses have historically played a key role in major scientific breakthroughs. One of the most famous examples occurred in 1919, when a solar eclipse provided crucial evidence for Einstein's general theory of relativity. Einstein predicted that massive objects, like the sun, bend space-time, causing light to curve as it passes through. During the eclipse, astronomers observed that the positions of stars near the sun appeared to shift slightly, confirming Einstein's predictions and revolutionizing our understanding of gravity. Without solar eclipses, this fundamental discovery might have taken much longer to prove. Even today, astronomers use eclipses to test new theories about space, time, and gravity, continuing a legacy of scientific discovery that began over a century ago. The effects of a solar eclipse are not limited to the sky. They also create noticeable changes on Earth. One of the most immediate impacts is a sudden drop in temperature. As the moon blocks the sun's radiation, local temperatures can fall by several degrees within minutes, sometimes by as much as 5 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. This rapid cooling can even alter wind patterns, causing brief but noticeable shifts in air movement. Another strange phenomenon associated with eclipses is the appearance of mysterious shadow bands, thin, wavy lines that ripple across the ground just before and after the peak of the eclipse. These flickering patterns remain one of the more puzzling optical effects of an eclipse, and scientists are still working to understand the exact mechanisms behind them. Perhaps the most intriguing reactions to an eclipse come from the natural world. As daylight dims unexpectedly, birds often stop singing, assuming that night is approaching. Crickets begin their evening chorus, and farm animals may prepare for sleep, confused by the abrupt change in light. Some pet owners have even reported unusual behavior in dogs and cats during eclipses. While humans understand the cause of this celestial event, animals react instinctively, leading scientists to wonder whether they sense environmental shifts that are too subtle for humans to detect. Some researchers believe that changes in temperature, light polarization, or even slight shifts in Earth's magnetic field could explain these unusual responses, but the true answer remains uncertain. This upcoming eclipse is not just a rare sight, it is a window into the intricate forces that govern our solar system and affect life on Earth. As we prepare to witness this extraordinary alignment between the Sun, Moon, and Earth, we should take a moment to appreciate the deeper mysteries it reveals. From the enigmatic heat of the Sun's corona to the eerie stillness that falls over the natural world, each eclipse reminds us that we are part of a vast and ever-changing universe, full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. How to capture the perfect eclipse photo. Photographing a solar eclipse is a challenging yet rewarding experience, requiring careful planning and the right equipment to achieve stunning results. Unlike regular photography, capturing an eclipse involves managing extreme brightness, rapid lighting changes, and unique atmospheric effects. To ensure you get the best possible shot without damaging your camera or your eyes, follow these essential photography tips. First and foremost, always use a solar filter when photographing the sun. Just as eclipse glasses protect your eyes, a properly rated solar filter safeguards your camera's sensor from intense sunlight. Never point your camera directly at the sun without one, as the concentrated rays can cause permanent damage to your equipment. Specialized solar filters reduce the glare and enhance details, allowing you to capture the sun's surface features and the distinct crescent shape during the partial eclipse. Using a tripod is another crucial step in eclipse photography. Since even the slightest hand movement can blur an image, a stable tripod helps ensure sharp, high-quality photos. If possible, pair it with a remote shutter release or use your camera's timer function to minimize vibrations. While focusing on the sun is important, don't forget to capture the dramatic transformation of the environment. As the eclipse progresses, the landscape takes on an eerie, dimmed glow, creating a surreal atmosphere. Shadows sharpen, colors shift, and the entire setting feels otherworldly. Wide-angle shots of the landscape, silhouettes, and crowd reactions can add depth and emotion to your eclipse photography, making the experience even more memorable. One often overlooked detail that makes for incredible photos is the effect of eclipse shadows. As sunlight filters through gaps in leaves or other small openings, it creates a mesmerizing display of tiny crescent-shaped shadows on the ground. These shadow patterns, known as pinhole projections, add an artistic and surreal element to eclipse photography, offering a unique perspective beyond the sun itself. With the right preparation, patience, and attention to detail, capturing an eclipse can be a once-in-a-lifetime photographic achievement. Whether you focus on the sun, the sky's changing hues, or the subtle effects on your surroundings, the key is to plan ahead and be ready for the fleeting moments of cosmic magic. The mysterious eclipse phenomenon that no one can explain. Among the many incredible sights that accompany a solar eclipse, one of the strangest and least understood phenomena is the appearance of shadow bands. These eerie, wavy lines ripple across the ground just before and after the peak of an eclipse, resembling the shimmering pattern seen at the bottom of a swimming pool. Unlike the obvious changes in sunlight and temperature during an eclipse, shadow bands are subtle, fleeting, and remain one of the great unsolved mysteries of celestial events. Scientists have attempted to explain shadow bands for years, but there's still no definitive answer. The leading theory suggests that they are caused by the way light bends through Earth's atmosphere, similar to how stars appear to twinkle due to turbulence in the air. As the sun becomes a thin crescent, its remaining light gets distorted by shifting air currents, creating these moving wave-like patterns on the ground. However, this explanation is not entirely complete, as shadow bands are inconsistent and vary in appearance from one eclipse to another. What makes shadow bands even more intriguing is how difficult they are to study. They last only a few moments and are best seen on light-colored surfaces, making them challenging to capture on camera. Some observers report seeing them as rapid, almost ghostly streaks, while others describe them as slow, drifting patterns. Despite advancements in eclipse research, no one fully understands why they behave the way they do or why some eclipses produce them more vividly than others. Could this unexplained phenomenon be proof that there are still cosmic secrets waiting to be discovered? While we may not have all the answers yet, shadow bands remind us that even in our age of scientific advancements, nature continues to surprise us. Each eclipse offers a rare opportunity to observe these mysterious patterns, providing yet another reason why witnessing an eclipse is an unforgettable experience. The future of solar eclipses. A shocking truth? It may be hard to believe, but one day, solar eclipses will no longer exist. This breathtaking phenomenon that has fascinated humanity for thousands of years is only temporary in Earth's history. The reason? The Moon is slowly drifting away from Earth at a rate of 3.8 centimeters per year. While this may seem insignificant, over millions of years, the Moon will move far enough away that it will no longer be able to fully cover the Sun. When that happens, total solar eclipses, one of nature's most stunning spectacles, will become impossible. Right now, we are living in a rare moment in cosmic history where the size and distance of the Moon perfectly align with the Sun, creating the stunning visual effect of a total eclipse. In the distant future, however, our descendants may only witness partial or annular eclipses, where the Moon appears too small to completely obscure the Sun's disk. This makes every eclipse we experience today even more special, as future generations may never get to see them as we do now. Ancient legends and myths about solar eclipses. Long before science explained the mechanics of solar eclipses, ancient civilizations interpreted them as powerful omens, often filled with fear and superstition. For many cultures, an eclipse was a sign of cosmic struggle, chaos, or divine intervention. The Vikings believed that a massive wolf named Skuld was chasing the sun, and when it finally caught it, an eclipse would occur. They feared that if the sun was swallowed forever, the world would be plunged into eternal darkness. Similarly, in ancient China, people thought that a great dragon was devouring the sun during an eclipse. To stop it, they would bang drums, shoot arrows into the sky, and make loud noises to scare the beast away. Interestingly, historical records suggest that this practice was widespread, as many cultures reacted to eclipses with loud rituals, hoping to rescue the sun from whatever force was taking it away. Even today, some cultures hold strong beliefs about eclipses being omens of change, warning of natural disasters, wars, or shifts in power. While science explains the mechanics behind these celestial events, the myths surrounding them remind us of how deeply humans have always been connected to the cosmos. Could there still be truths hidden in these ancient beliefs? Or are they simply a reflection of the awe and fear that eclipses have inspired for generations? One thing is certain: solar eclipses will continue to be a source of wonder, mystery, and scientific discovery for as long as they remain part of Earth's history. This upcoming eclipse is one of the most fascinating celestial events of the year, offering a rare opportunity to witness the cosmic alignment of the Sun, Moon, and Earth. For centuries, eclipses have captivated humanity, inspiring awe, myths, and scientific discoveries. To see this astronomical dance unfold in real time is a reminder of the vast and mysterious universe we are a part of. Whether you're watching from a bustling city or a quiet countryside, this moment connects us all under the same sky. Will you be tuning in to experience it? Share where you'll be viewing from and what excites you most about this eclipse. If you're fascinated by space, mysteries, and the wonders of the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the journey of exploring the universe together.